What's up TPA Rockstars, it's Ryan Ranahan and welcome on board the Norwegian Aqua. I'm here for a short day and a half to be able to show you all about the ship. From staterooms to public areas and restaurants, I'm going to show you all the ship has to offer. So come along with me and let's check it all out. Let's kick things off with staterooms. While I was on board, every stateroom category was booked solid, so I can only show you mine. This is a category B4 family balcony stateroom, designed with both comfort and functionality in mind. The room itself offers 231 square feet of space, and the balcony ranges from 45 to 69 square feet, depending on the cabin. Out on the balcony, you'll find cozy chairs, perfect for soaking in the views and the sounds of the ocean. Inside, there's plenty of plug-in power to keep all your devices charged, plus 2 full-length closets to help you stay organized throughout your cruise. Now let's talk bathrooms, because on Norwegian Aqua, it honestly has some of my favorites at sea. You get a spacious layout and an oversized sink, which makes it a surprising difference when you are sharing the space. Overall, the room feels open, functional, and super comfortable, perfect for families or anyone who enjoys a little extra breathing room. Norwegian Aqua is a Prima Plus class ship, and you can feel the difference. It's noticeably wider than her sister ships, especially in public spaces. That extra width means more breathing room, smoother traffic flow, bigger rooms, and larger balconies, which is a real win for anyone who enjoys their private outdoor space. One of the highlights on board is a stadium, packed with entertainment and fun for all ages. And let's not forget the major first at sea feature, the water coaster. All in all, even though I only had a day and a half on board, Norwegian Aqua really impressed me. It's packed with features that make it an ideal option for a fun, memorable family vacation.